Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download the Upside app. Now for those of you wondering what is an Upside is a cashback app that allows users to earn rewards on purchase at gas stations, grocery stores and the restaurants by claiming offers and paying with credit or debit card. Or you can also cash out your earnings to your bank account or your PayPal or through gift card. Now to install the app, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of device. So if your device is not connected to it, you won't be able to install it. So after connecting to Wi-Fi or any kind of other data, simply open App Store on your iPhone, and if you're using Android, then make sure to open Play Store on a device. So here you'll see various options at the bottom taskbar. You just need to click on the option of search at the very bottom right, and at the very top of the search box you just need to search Upside, UPSIDE, Upside. After that you just need to click on the option of search, and here you'll see the option of Upside on cash back and gas. So you just need to click on the option of get highlighted on blue, and a pop-up will appear saying to install the app. So as you can see, you may simply click on the option of install, and if you're installing it for the first time, then it asks you to double click on the power button, so simply do it. So that's it, that's how you can install the Upside app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.